So welcome students. So in this question you given that the equation is x cube is equal to 4 times x minus y whole square and x is equal to 1. You are asked to find the area bounded by these two curves. So first let us try to plot these curves before trying to find the area. So this is the x and y coordinate system. X is equal to 1 is a line parallel to y axis, and if you want to draw the graph of this, so it's difficult to directly draw the graph of this. Let us try to simplify this graph and try to analyze this graph. So first I'll take the square root on both sides. So x minus y whole square is equal to x cube by 4. So x minus y is equal to x power 3 by 2 by 2 plus or minus. The square root of this can be plus or minus x power 3 by 2 by 2. So y is equal to, so if plus or minus 3 by 2 by 2 comes onto this side, you get minus or plus or minus, doesn't really matter. So y is equal to x plus or minus x power 3 by 2 by 2. So the value of y is x plus or minus x power 3 by 2 by 2. So correspond to each x, you get two values of y. You can have x plus x power 3 by 2 by 2 or x minus x power 3 by 2 by 2. So ऐसा curve को plot करना है तो you just take some values of x and corresponding values of y can be found out, and if you join all the points, you get the graph. So you can see that when x is equal to 0, 0 plus 0 or 0 minus 0, both the values will become same. So at x is equal to 0, you have only y is equal to 0. And when x is equal to 1, you have 1 plus or minus 1 by 2. So when x is equal to 1, one value will be 1 plus 1 by 2, which is 3 by 2. The other value will be 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. So for x is equal to 1, you have two values of y. So obviously if you draw the graph in between, so you get two arms of the graph. So the upper arm of the graph is y is equal to x plus x power 3 by 2 by 2, and the lower arm of the graph will be y is equal to x minus x power 3 by 2 by 2. So now you want the area of the graph under this area which is shown. So how do you find this area? This is the area between the upper curve and lower curve. So integration from 0 to 1, upper curve is x plus x power 3 by 2 by 2 minus of x minus x power 3 by 2 by 2 dx. So that is equal to x gets cancelled. So x power 3 by 2 by 2 plus x power 3 by 2. So 0 to 1 x power 3 by 2 dx, that is equal to x power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 from 0 to 1. So that is equal to 2 by 5 square units. So option B is the right answer to this question. Thank you.